What's up, everyone? Welcome back into my YouTube channel. So today, guys, we're gonna do a market breakdown, guys, here to prepare for the week ahead. So before I start, make sure you like the video and share it with your friend. And for those who are new, make sure you subscribe. So on the screen, we're having Ethereum versus dollar, US dollar, actually. So with this one, guys, we can all see that we are in a correctional phase, of which after a correctional phase, we're anticipating an impulse. Like here, we're an impulse, correction, impulse. Now we're in a correctional phase, we're anticipating the next impulsive move. So I'm just gonna dive deep into what's really happening in this one, or I'm just gonna go straight into 1 hour time frame and show you what I saw in this Ethereum. So in this Ethereum, guys, we had a nice Falcon structure that happened here, guys. Having a nice Falcon structure. So in this one, guys, we all know that normally we target the 90% rule of that structure. So I couldn't catch an entry somewhere around here, of which I wasn't focusing on Ethereum last week, but then currently I'm involved in Ethereum. I think I got tagged in around midnight, actually. Yeah, around midnight, guys. I managed to place a buy position here. The reason why I placed a buy position here, guys, is that we're having some form of a head and shoulder pattern here. I know it's not that nice head and shoulder pattern, but then it is a head and shoulder pattern. That is same. The other thing, or the other confluence that I took here is that we took out this high right here, of which the market left some form of an order block around here. So the market came to mitigate this order block. Look at the way the market came to mitigate this order block. You can see that all this with this candlestick that the market has been losing some strength, guys, when it came to mitigate this order block. So that's the reason why I took the buy position there. And then secondly, guys, is that we broke out of this Falcon pattern or Falcon structure, guys. Remember that the first continuation pattern after the market broke the after the market broke the Falcon structure, guys, it has high probability of going to the upside. So those are the reasons that I used, or those are the confluences that I used to take this buy position on Ethereum versus US dollar. So with this one, guys, I think should the market come and reach at least this level above here, then that's when I'm gonna start looking my profit here, guys. But for now, I haven't locked my profit yet as the market hasn't moved. It moved a little bit right now, but then the profit is very little since Ethereum had some form of what do we call this thing? Mm, I don't know, is it the spread? Yeah, since Ethereum has some huge spread, guys, so I haven't been really in a good profit right now. But then should the market take out that high, then I'm gonna start looking the profit, guys. Yeah, remember, guys, we're trading defensively, not offensively. The other pair that I'm gonna focus on, remember, by the way, Ethereum it's a cryptocurrency, guys. So on the indices, guys, I'm gonna be looking at NAS 100. So with NAS 100, guys, I'm just gonna open 1 hour first and show you that we're in an uptrend. So now I'm gonna dive deeply into 30 minutes, actually. So on the 30 minutes, guys, it's straightforward, guys, that we've been pushing to the upside. Let me just go straight to 15 minutes. I want this thing to make sense to you guys. Yeah. So on the 15 minutes time frame, guys, we're having the mixture of Falcon and SMC, actually. So with Falcon, guys, we're having this nice Falcon continuation pattern here, of which we're anticipating the market to go to the upside. So with smart money, guys, we're having an order block of here, of which it is not yet mitigated. I mean, this order block, guys, it just got mitigated right now, of which it makes sense. It is since it has some form of a liquidity above it, guys. Yeah, and then also, and by the way, we also took out the this high right there, guys. Yeah. So with this one, guys, Remember, tomorrow is still Monday, so I'm not opening any trade. But then this one, it looks okay for going to the upside, guys, up until this area around here. Gonna be taking 90% rule here, of which is gonna be a Falcon take profit, and this area here is gonna be SMC profit because of this high around here. So it's just gonna be simple this one, guys, but I'm not advising to take this one, guys. Tomorrow is still Monday. It's possible that the market, when it opens, it might come around this area, of which if I can go to 5 minutes here, there's an order block around this area, but then I'm not gonna go deep into that because of tomorrow is still Monday, guys. So with this one, I'm just gonna relax and see what's happening. So I'm also having a USA 30 on the indices. So bear with me, guys. I have a network problem in my area, guys, because of this load shedding. So also this one, guys, we can see that we're in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend, but then there's something that really happened here. The market took out this high, of which our last low is gonna be this one here. I think somewhere around here. I might call this area a change of character. Look what the market did. It did broke it, of which sometimes it might happen to come maybe on either one of these order blocks around here or this one around here. Should the market give us some form of an indication that it's going to the downwards, then I'm gonna be targeting this order blocks for them to be mitigated. Then we're taking this one to the downwards. But then if that doesn't happen, the market should the market come and mitigate this order block in a reversal manner, I'm taking this one to the upside. So it's just gonna be straightforward on this one, guys. It's gonna be straightforward on this one. US state and NAS 100, guys. Try to correlate the two, guys. I think I'm seeing some form of a buy position next on NAS. I mean on NAS 100 than on USD. But then remember, guys, not always they wanna move the same, guys. Sometimes it happens that I've passed through during New York session, guys. It happens that NAS 100 it does goes to the upside and USD goes to the downward, to the downward. So the next pair is gonna be on the forex one, guys. Yeah. So on the forex market, guys, I'm just gonna open 4 hour first and show you where we are currently. So currently, I think we changed in shift actually, of which it might be some form of a change of character on the bigger scale, but then also this one, it might be some form of a change of character. That's fine. So what I gonna look for is gonna be on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, game we have two unmitigated order blocks, of which it's possible that the market might come and mitigate either this one or this one and continue pushing to the downward. So tomorrow is still Monday, guys. We're still gonna see what's happening in the market, and then I will take it from there, guys. Yeah. So, but then should the market give me something like this? I mean, with this thing, should the market give me something like this, guys, and mitigate this order block right here? I'm taking this one to the downwards, of which what I will be looking for is just gonna be those Falcon patterns or reversal patterns approaching my, when the market approaches my order block, I'll be targeting or I'll be looking for those reversal patterns there, guys. Should the market give me something of this nature, guys, I'm taking a sell position on this first order block. But then the main order block that I'm targeting, guys, is the one above. I think this order block is gonna turn into being a liquidity, guys. Yeah. So the reason why I'm saying it's gonna turn into a liquidity, look at the imbalance that it has been left here, guys. Look at this huge imbalance. So hence I'm saying this, I mean this order block, it might turn into being a liquidity, and then the reversal is gonna be on it. So I will see what's gonna happen next, guys. But then no rush in this thing, guys. We're taking everything slow, guys. Yeah. So the next page gonna be silver dollar, guys. If you can remember last week, guys, I closed a very little profit on this one, okay? So I just did some few changes on it. I managed to get some sell position last week, of which I got something from it. It's not that much, but then I think it was this move. With this move from here, I managed to eat on this one, guys. Made some money on this move, but then it's fine. It's another week right now. We should focus on the next. Should focus on what is to happen this week, actually, guys. Yeah. So since it happens that we changed character here, guys. So what I'm anticipating, guys, is for the next impulse. So we had the first impulse. Now we're in a correctional phase. We're anticipating the next impulse. So what the one thing I'm gonna do right now, guys, is to look at those moments when the market mitigates my order block in a reversal manner. Remember, guys, I always advise that we should be trading only when the market is losing some strength, not when the market come. I mean, not when the market comes into our order block impulsively. So, but then we should be looking for those reversal patterns around our order blocks. There's a huge imbalance that has been left here, of which it's enough for us to consider this order block, and then it's gonna be on the third touch. This is gonna be the first touch of our Falcon structure, second touch, and this one is going to be our third touch. So remember, the third touch has high probability of respecting our strategy. So the next pair is going to be Euro AUD. So on Euro AUD, guys, remember with this one I did it last week, guys. So I didn't get an entry yet, of which is still possible. I mean, of which is still on my watch list, guys, because of I'm seeing something that it might happen this week on the Euro AUD. So on Euro AUD, guys, since we took out this low, guys, right here, of which is gonna be our first. It's gonna be our first continuation pattern after the break, after the market took out. I mean, after the market broke out of this channel, this is gonna be our first continuation pattern. So our first continuation pattern, guys, has high probability. So should the market give me some form of something like this and mitigate my order block in a reversal manner, I'm gonna take this one as a first continuation pattern, of which is gonna be the double top. But it depends that sometimes it might mitigate the market might mitigate the order block, come and draw something like this and go for third touch, then push to the downwards. But for me, I'm gonna be targeting the double top pattern that's gonna happen right here, guys. Should the market come here and mitigate this one in a reversal manner, I'm taking this one to the downwards. So it's just gonna be straightforward, guys, with Euro AUD, guys. And make sure that you get involved in the first continuation pattern. But it happens that the market sometimes does form a larger correction outside the channel, guys. So we should always be making sure that you are protecting your capital, because of it's not guaranteed that the first continuation pattern is going to be the smaller one or the larger one. So the last but not least is going to be USD JPY. I also had this one last week, of which I showed you that is the pair that I discussed with one of my students. I even got an entry out of this USD JPY, but then we're currently in our order block rate, of which there's an order block above this. So let me just open 1 hour time frame and show you what is happening in the 1 hour. So in the 1 hour time frame, guys, there's a lot that I'm anticipating here, guys. Since we've been pushing to the upside, it's possible that the market might come around this area, mitigate this order block, continue moving to the upside. Possible, guys. That's why we should be thinking in probabilities, guys. Yeah. There's another order block here and this order block right here. But the main focus, guys, is to take this market to the downwards. The reason why I'm anticipating this market to push to the downwards is because of it is because of this order block. So should the market take out this low here, of which is going to be our change of character here, or maybe this one here is going to be our change of character because of we broke out of this high here. So should the market give us some form of a change of character here, let's say the market does break something like this. I know sometimes it does leave an order block, then I'm gonna wait for the market to mitigate this order block that it would be leaving here, then I'm taking this one to the downward. So there are two scenarios to this, guys, but then it's still possible that the way the market mitigated this order block, as we can all see that it mitigated it in an impulsive manner. Still possible that the market might come to the downwards, give me some form of a flat pattern and push to the downwards. So remember, guys, we're trading Falcon and smart money right here, guys. So there are a lot of entry opportunities that we will be looking for. If we're not getting a Falcon entry, we might be getting a smart money entry, guys. So that's why I'm saying there are two scenarios with this one, guys. Yeah. So, but overall, guys, I'm looking for a sell position, right, rather than the buy position. So, I think I'm done with the market breakdown with you, guys. If you want us to include anything in the next video, guys, please comment with anything you would want us to include, guys. And then for those who are new, make sure you subscribe, guys. And then for those who got value out of this video, guys, make sure you like the video as it helps with the algorithm. The mentorship is available, guys. You can contact me, guys, on my WhatsApp, guys. I'm gonna put the WhatsApp and my WhatsApp number on the description, guys. For those who are looking for mentorship, you can contact me there, or you can visit our Instagram page, guys. Yeah, to get all the information regarding our mentorship, guys. Yeah. So until I see you next time, guys. Cheers.